Hello, Gonzones. Today we're going with a classic that everyone loves, ginger cookies. Although honestly, I'd like to know if you call them ginger cookies or ginger bombs. I start by mixing flour in a large bowl, 2 cups or even a little more, with a teaspoon of baking soda.
Also, I add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. I mix all of this very well and set it aside for later.
Before that, what we'll do is take a saucepan and put 50 milliliters or a quarter cup of water inside. To this water, we add 100 grams of sugar, which is about half a cup. Also, we're gonna give it a lot of flavor with a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and another teaspoon of ginger. Okay, that's what gives these cookies their name. And we're gonna enhance it with another teaspoon of pure cocoa powder and with half or even a little less of nutmeg. This combination is amazing. Try it, you'll love it. Then we add 1/3 of a cup of honey or molasses, whichever you have on hand or like best. And now, over medium heat, we keep stirring and stirring until this comes to a boil. Once it boils, look at those beautiful little bubbles it makes. Then you add the last ingredient to the sauce, butter, 100 grams or 2/3 of a cup. And thanks to the heat of the mixture, it melts quickly, very quickly. All right, I've got it ready. I make a little well in the bowl where I had the dry ingredients and pour all this magic in. Once we have everything mixed together, what we need to do is keep stirring and stirring until you get a manageable cookie dough. The trick here is to start stirring in the center at first, and then gradually work your way out until the moisture absorbs all the flour. If it turns out a bit sticky, which is normal with these amounts, just add flour little by little. That way, you make sure the final texture is perfect, and they don't end up dry. Add a little, stir it around, and repeat until you have a ball of dough like the one you see on the screen. Then we're going to roll it out. I divide it into 2 or 3 parts, roll it out well with a rolling pin, and leave a nice thin layer to make the little shapes with it. You can use any cookie cutter, but look, since we're making gingerbread cookies, let's make little men. And even better, once you have a silicone mat or baking paper filled with that, we go to the oven. I have it preheated to 180 degrees, about 350 Fahrenheit. I place it in the lower middle part, with heat from above and below, and I wait until they're golden. It takes about 9, 10, or 11 minutes for them to start browning on the sides, and that's the moment to take them out. With these amounts, we get more or less 3 trays, so that's 1, 2, and 3 trays of cookies ready. Look how good they look. What a plate we've prepared. Just a moment. Some super simple cookies, but with a lot of flavor and a combination that everyone loves. And also with their incredible and distinctive color and that crunchiness they have on the outside. And just a few more minutes left. Yeah, they're great. I love them. For snacking, for breakfast, for dipping in coffee with milk. They're always good. What can I say?